So I'll talk about Telegram, which is very, very similar to WhatsApp. So half of the portion is already covered by Neeraj. I'm going to take you through some features which are exclusive to Telegram and add on to WhatsApp. So it was launched in 2023 and it is number one downloaded app in 24. More than a billion users right now. So how many of you are using Telegram now? Okay, so quite a few. So it has an app and desktop version. So this is the app version, this is the desktop version. So desktop version is one-time install. It's not like WhatsApp. So what Paul Durov says that WhatsApp is just catching up and copying Telegram all the time. The features that Neeraj showed were there in Telegram since last 5-6 years. Like Telegram desktop version is quite old and you log in one time and it will never logs out. So my Telegram login is since 2017 and in 7 years it has never logged out. While WhatsApp every 2 months it gets logged out and then you are at loss. It syncs independently. Okay, you don't have to sync your phone or copy any QR code anytime. App is best to interact, while desktop version is best to upload and download. So you need to type Telegram desktop on Google and you can download it, sync it one time and you're done for your life. So Telegram groups, we can have 2 lakh member in one group. So WhatsApp has just increased to, I think, 1,000 in last 1 year. And it has persistent chat history. You can actually control as admin, but anybody who has joined now can see chats from 5 years, 6 years down the line. So you can be available. I mean, you can share with a lot of data. So these are a few of my groups. This is a books and journal group. And you can share these chats, for example, and you can download these documents anytime you wish. So you can download on your laptop, create a folder, and keep all the books there. So sharing large file. This is one of the basic and very, very important thing that I use for Telegram. So more than 2 GB files can be shared. I think we use WeTransfer, Google Docs, etc., for sharing large file. But Telegram is the best application to share large file with anybody in the world. So 2 GB files, you can share large document, large videos. It is stored on the cloud. It does not take any space on your phone. Okay, so like WhatsApp takes huge amount of space on your phone. Always is like 40 GB, 60 GB for us. But Telegram is less than 500 MB all the time and saves on the cloud. It can remain accessible anytime in the world for you. And you can access it from multiple devices. For example, coming here, suppose I lose my laptop and I don't have any access to my presentation. If I've loaded my presentation on Telegram, I can open Telegram here on the preview room counter on any desktop using my phone, and I can download my presentation from anywhere in the world. And so that's one thing that is very, very useful. So all documents you can save and you can download it anytime. For example, these are the few videos. This is one of our Ortho TV group. We have 1,300 videos saved since around 7-8 years. All the videos still accessible, downloadable anytime by any of the members there. So syncs and it's very, very secure. You can create your own photo storage. A lot of you on iPhone are paying huge amount to iCloud subscription. You can actually create a group of your family, save all your photos for free on Telegram, which can be accessed anytime. So unlimited storage, uncompressed storage. Like WhatsApp compresses the photograph. Here you will get uncompressed, does not occupy any space on your phone, can be seen by multiple devices. You can make a family album. So this is my family album. When we travel, we share all my photographs in this Telegram group. And you can access it in perpetuity, anytime, anywhere in the world. I think no other storage device or platform gives this. So all the photographs, you can save it as a file. If you save it as a file, it goes as uncompressed document. So original quality is restored. Academic data storage, I don't use very often, but I'll just share it with you. You need retrievability tags for it. So these are the tags that are generated by Dr. Mangal. You can have your own system how to retrieve. Okay. So how to start sharing data? Create a new group, similar to what Neeraj just said. Create a new group I have adding Neeraj, and then after that I remove Neeraj from the group, so I have just one person in the group myself, and I can start sharing my data here. So this is all the X-rays that I'm sharing. This is the hip fracture group that I have. And I tag all the X-rays with patient's name and number and whatever tags that I wish to. And I give them numbers also. So how to retrieve it? Once you go to this group again, you can click here in search, or you can click on the calendar icon. So with calendar icon, you can actually search by date. So on which day you operated which case and uploaded which surgery. So you can go from way back in 17, 18 and get all the data from there. So Telegram data storage, multiple groups you can create based on maybe your research project, maybe your case report or whatever. And you can upload the entire folders. 100 images can be uploaded uncompressed at one particular time. You can number them with cases and patient series, and you can search easily. So you can also do this, how many surgeries you have done in a month. Follow-up of the same case can come in search tags, and all image in original format. So I have these special groups on Telegram, my presentations, my videos, my movies if I want to see while I'm traveling, my photos, my books, and my cases, best cases, worst cases, learning. All these folders are available to me anytime, anywhere. I can create a presentation if I am asked within an hour or so. You can create folders, like WhatsApp is now creating list, or Telegram had these folder settings long back. So you can create chat folders and you can name the folder. For example, here I've added books, and you can add all the book sharing groups in that folder. So I will show it here. You can have similarly academic folders. So data records is here. So you can create this. So Telegram is very good for cloud storage. Some special features, you can create message link for individual messages. For example, for this book, I can create an individual link and share in the group where people can just download it. You can edit, send messages. Like Neeraj showed, WhatsApp gives you 14 minutes to edit it. While, or I think 24 hours, I guess. While in Telegram, you can edit it anytime. Unlimited time, you can edit your message. You can translate your text. So in multiple languages, you can chat with all the, your colleagues from other countries in their own native language. So you have to set up the translation. Okay. And it gives in all these languages, you can set up the translation and you can chat with anybody in the world. It's very safe and private. It does not show your mobile number, it shows only your username. So people looking at my profile see only my username, which I can keep as anything secret. I can have secret chats, for example, here with Neeraj. I can actually put a text or an image or a document, and I can select what time, after what time he sees, that it gets auto-destruct. So I've selected here around 7 seconds or 1 minute. So that is how you can do a secret chat here. Channels and bots. The broadcast list is like channels on WhatsApp, so you can access it. It's unilateral. So admin post and you can just watch, no interaction. There are many bots. You can just take a photo of this and explore the bots. Most useful are Gmail bots. Remini is for photo editing, very useful, and you get pro features on Telegram for free. SciHub is I've used many times. YouTube downloader bot, very useful to download any YouTube video, similar with Instagram downloader. You can download any Instagram video that is available. File converter, very useful. So I can just click start, upload any image, and it asks me in which format do I want it, whether I want it in PNG, PDF, TIFF, and you can just get the image done here in Telegram itself. Special advantage, active session on multiple laptops. So you can have multiple laptops running your Telegram, okay? And you have multiple accounts on the same phone. So you can have 3 accounts for free user on the same Telegram. So you can have your clinic account also and your assistant account also on your Telegram. So that's about Telegram. I think Telegram has many more features. Final word is good for social and academic interaction. Very good for cloud storage. You can use multiple accounts, same device. It's like carrying your entire database with you all the time and for free. You don't have to pay anything. Open access from anywhere in the world. everything that WhatsApp can do, photo editing, etc., Telegram can do much, much better. Thank you very much. Thanks.
So very excellent and comprehensive talk on Telegram.